Bonjour, let's learn the name of some common vegetable in French. First, we will learn how to say vegetable in French. Legumes, legumes. Potato in French, pomme de terre, pomme de terre. Tomato in French, tomate, tomate. Onion in French, oignon, oignon. Broccoli in French, broccoli, broccoli. Carrot in French, carrot, carrot. Peas in French, poa, poa. Cabbage in French, chou, chou. Garlic in French, ale. Bell pepper in French, poivron, poivron. Sweet corn in French, mais, mais. Cucumber in French, concombre, concombre, concombre. Radish in French, radis, 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 radis. Spinach in French, épinard, épinard. Pumpkin in French, citrouille, citrouille, citrouille. Brinjal in French, aubergine, aubergine. Thank you for watching.